our way to the performance shop for the dyno tune. Wish me luck. Holy crap. Would you look at that?
Well, need a coffee, taking Jesus with me.
Yes.
About to get loud.
running healthier, definitely. About to take her on home. Dyno tune completed. Everything went well. Truck's running good, sounding good. Let's go for a quick drive. So here are my thoughts. I am pleased with the reliability of it. Like right now, you know, in this 92-degree day, you know, we're running the AC, going about 80 miles per hour. No leaks, no shakes, nothing like that. But however, obviously 346 is just not enough. So I'm definitely going to go back to the drawing board. Again, this is an NA build, but I do want a little bit more power. I think the low end torque could be adjusted. You know, so we're going to see what parts can we throw at it, get it to respond. You know, especially on the low end side. High end side, we're there. So again, you know, the low end side could be helped a little bit. You know, doing my takeoffs, it's not as crisp as I would like it to be, but you know, that's to be expected. It is a truck intake, stock truck intake. Excuse me, stock truck intake. We do have a stage 4 cam in it. It is a stock build 6.0. know, on paper, the 6.0 by itself should yield, you know, high 300s, mid 300s. But with a stage 4 cam, I was definitely expecting, you know, high 300s or less than 4. It is a 4L80 trans, so most people will say that I'm losing power there. So we'll see what's next. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in.